Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add new cards on Anki. Adding new study material is fundamental to your learning journey. First, locate the Add button in the main Anki window. Clicking this opens a new card creation interface. You will then choose your target deck and the appropriate note type. Finally, input your question on the front and the answer on the back, ensuring clarity for effective recall. This simple process is the first step to building a robust study collection. Understanding note types is crucial for organizing your learning. A note type acts as a template, determining how your information is structured and presented. For instance, a basic note type has a front field for the question and a back field for the answer. However, you can customize or create new note types with multiple fields, like example sentence or image, to accommodate more complex data. This flexibility allows for highly tailored and effective study materials. Making your cards visually engaging and informative significantly boosts retention. You can easily enrich your cards by embedding images, audio files, or even short video clips directly into the fields. Basic text formatting options, such as bolding key terms or using bullet points, improve readability. For those seeking more control, Anki supports HTML and CSS, allowing for highly customized card layouts and styles. Experiment to find what works best for your personal learning style. To maximize your learning efficiency, adopt some best practices when creating cards. Aim for atomic cards, meaning each card should test only one distinct piece of information. This prevents cognitive overload. Closed deletions are excellent for learning facts embedded in sentences, prompting you to recall specific words. Remember, consistent and active review is paramount. Regularly engaging with your cards ensures long-term retention and solidifies your understanding of the material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.